Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Porsche 911, and this one was a beauty. I'll read off the sign that the owner had on the windshield, and it shows 1966 Porsche 911, and then the serial number originally completed January 31st, 1966, and delivered to Vasek Polak Porsche in Manhattan Beach, California. A one-owner car for the past 34 years. It had a 2-year full restoration completed in early 2019 in its original Bahama yellow and tan leather interior. Minor period modifications include engine swap to a 71 911T 2.2 liter with Zenith carburetors, 68 911S dual circuit brakes with vented front discs, and 68 911 Sportmatic hand throttle. And then it says the owners would like to thank and recognize the automotive artistry of the following restoration specialists. And then it lists them there, and they're all located in Southern California, mainly in the San Diego, North County area. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a beauty. It was definitely a nice car and had quite a few people looking at it and taking pictures, which made it a little difficult to film. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Porsche 911, a 2-year restoration, full restoration of it. And it was in the original Bahama yellow and tan leather interior. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.